Hello, hello, hello! Magandang araw sa lahat ng Gemini. Welcome back. At sa mga bago, welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala, si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love sa inyong Tagalog love reading. Ngayon na, Mismo! Okay, so today, ang gagawin natin ay ang inyong um, no contact love reading. So, tingnan natin ano ba yung masasagap kong energy from the Gemini Collective. At habang binabalasa ko tong cards, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Gemini na sumusuporta sa aking channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you po. At sa mga bagong Gemini na nakasubaybay ngayon, sana supportahan nyo rin po ang aking channel by subscribing, by liking this video, and sharing it sa iba pang Gemini na kilala nyo. And comment na rin kung mag-resonate yung reading. So muli, maraming salamat sa inyong suporta. And just a reminder, since this is a collective reading, pwedeng mag-resonate, pwedeng hindi, ang reading na ito. Okay? At kung hindi siya mag-resonate, huwag nating pilitin. It means na hindi ko nasagap yung energy ninyo. Okay? So, abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod pang love reading. Baka mag-resonate na yun. Okay? Baka masagap ko na yung energy nyo with the collective. Ayun. Alright? Sige. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon is using the tarot cards. Alamin natin yung recent past, present, and near future between you and your person na hindi kayo in contact. Okay? Tapos, by the end of the reading, I will pull an oracle card para sa advice ni Universe sa inyo. Sige, simulan na natin. Okay? Tingnan natin. In the recent past, energy ay 6 of Cups, 3 of Wands, and Ace of Cups. Ooh. And then sa present, the Tower, the Sun, and 4 of Coins. And then sa near future is Knight of Wands, 7 of Wands, and 10 of Swords. Okay. Sige. In the recent past is 6 of Cups, 3 of Wands, and Ace of Cups. Sa present moment, there's a Tower, the Sun, and 4 of Coins. And in the near future, yung Knight of Wands, 7 of Wands, and 10 of Swords. So there's a strong energy of Aries, okay, and Leo. Pwede yun yung signs ng person ninyo but doesn't have to. It means na yun na yung nasasagap kong energy sa strong energy sa reading na ito. Sige. So in the recent past, 6 of Cups. So in the recent past, okay, there's, alam mo yun, yung sense of familiarity between you and your person. Very comfy kayo sa isa't isa. And as shown here with the 3 of Wands, there's so much adventure, romance. Alam mo yun, yung parang pinaplano nyo na yung future ninyo. And dito sa Ace of Cups, kasi, ayun, there's so much love and puno-puno ng emosyon, very abundant yung feelings ninyo towards each other. Pero tingnan natin, bakit biglang may no contact situation between the two of you? Anong rason? Sige, tingnan natin. 10 of Swords. Okay. 6 of Wands. Okay. So, si 10 of Swords, there was an ending. May energy of betrayal ako nasasaga. As you can see here, dun sa 6 of Wands is kasi parang walang support. Hindi mo nakita na parang nag-e-effort yung tao na to na-realize mo na parang hindi ka naman niya pala sinusuportahan pagdating sa um, relationship. Alam mo yun, parang ikaw lang yung nagdala ng relasyon. So, it led to an ending na kahit mahal nyo yung isa't isa, pag medyo may imbalance between the alam mo yun, yung suporta ba na binibigay nyo sa isa't isa, parang may kulang, ganun, na nakukulangan ka dun sa effort na binibigay ng person ninyo. So, at the present moment, there was a tower moment or nagkaroon ng hindi nga pagkakaunawaan, and it affected the happiness, yung happiness between the two of you. Kasi may nagbago sa dynamics ninyong dalawa, okay? And ayun, yung as shown here also with the Four of Coins, okay? May meron sa inyo na masyadong possessive or controlling sa situation. So, I think yun yung person ninyo. Okay? Masyado siyang controlling, masyado siyang possessive. Okay? Pero ayaw naman niya mag-effort. In the recent past. Parang, mahal ka niya, gusto ka niya. I mean, there's love in it. Ayun, nagkagustuhan naman kayo sa isa't isa. Okay? Pero, nakikita ko dito na hindi nga siya nag-effort. Pero masyado siyang seloso. Okay? And as shown here also, masyadong seloso and possessive. Okay? And it's affecting na your happiness. Kaya nagkakaroon ng gulo sa relasyon. And dahil dito, I see, tignan natin, clarify natin. Okay. I see na I can see na ikaw na rin yung nagdesisyon na magkaroon kayo ng no contact. Parang ikaw na yung lumayo, ikaw na yung umalis sa sitwasyon, ikaw na yung umiwas. And shown here with the Emperor card, okay, you took the responsibility on taking action. Kumbaga, parang ikaw na yung nag-decide mismo. Ikaw yung nasa decision mo, yung hindi pagkakaroon ng contact between. Ikaw na yung umalis, ikaw na yung lumayo, ikaw na yung umiwas, ikaw na yung nag-end nung connection ninyo. Kaya in no contact na kayo ngayon at the present moment. Okay? And pero hindi mo naman siya parang talagang inaalis sa life mo. Parang okay sa'yo na maging friends with this person, pero hanggang doon na lang. Okay? And nasa person na rin na yun kung i-accept niya, pero for you, parang hanggang friends na lang. Stop na. Okay? And in the near future kasi, there's a Knight of Wands. Okay? May alam mo yun, parang itipilit pa nitong person na to na nagkaroon kayo ng connection. Kasi yun nga, very possessive nga siya and very protective siya towards sa'yo. Okay? And nakikita naman dito sa Ten of Swords na hindi siya, this person will not make you happy. It will just end into a failed relationship lang din. So, wag na. Okay? Sige, clarify natin. Okay. See? The Judgment. Okay? So, this will really come to an end and it's the right choice. It's the decision na gagawin mo. And it's the right choice. As shown here with the King of Swords then, which is having maturity, di ba? Being rational. Kasi, alam mo na hindi ka immature na person para parang i-accept pa tong tao na to na very possessive, very jealous, and nagdadala lang sa'yo ng kalungkutan. So, ikaw na tong mag-i-insist ng no contact situation with this person. Alright, so if this resonates, sana nakatulong. Ito, mas malinawan pa yung decision ninyo na wag nang kontakin pa or umiwas na sa tao na to. Okay? So, sige, seal natin itong reading na to with an oracle card. Okay. Ano bang advice ni universe sa inyo? Buksan natin. Look deeper into your fear. Divine power is embedded in you. Okay? So, sinasabi dito na ano yun? Yung look deeper into your fear is just yun, yung failure is parang di mo na kailangang isipin masyado na nag-fail tong relationship. It's bound to happen. And just use yung power of love for yourself, di ba? Para mas malampasan mo pa tong situation nito and makapag-move forward ka. Okay? So, I hope this helps. Sana nag-resonate. And kung hindi, again, wag nating pilitin. Yun. So, muli, ako si Mystico Moreno and kita-kits na lang sa susunod pang love reading. Dito lang yan sa aking channel. Yup. Mismo. Ingat.